We got some Torx fasteners here holding the wood slats down. Yeah. Looks like most of the wood rot's isolated to where the fasteners went through the boards. So I'm gonna see if I could think of a better way to seal those up, at least a little bit, to help it last a little longer. Oh my gosh, these are heavy. Oh. Not a big fan of this product right here, Pour 15, but it's what I got. There are other rust-specific paints that are a lot better. SEM makes one. I like Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator. I've put that stuff to the test. It works really well. Most of these paints are UV sensitive. So keep that in mind. If you're gonna paint, like say we're gonna paint the trailer with it, then we need to make sure we top coat it with something that's not UV sensitive. But what I'm gonna do is, just because I have this little cork, is go in all these areas where the boards are gonna sit that you're not gonna be able to get to. And we're gonna go ahead and coat those for peace of mind, because I don't want these to get any worse. So I already hit, like I said, I already hit it with a wire wheel. I'm gonna go back over it with a flat disc just to kind of knock off any of the big stuff. This should get full coverage in one coat. You really shouldn't have to go crazy on this stuff. Let's start with 218.5. See where that gets us. Woo. Yep. So we got that. It's gonna go right there. Well, I'm trying to get this all to work without ripping it down. Not a big deal if I have to. All right, it's not gonna work. We're gonna rip it. There we go. Let's go down this way a little bit. Woo, dropped right in place. All right, I'm gonna slide under here and screw all these boards down on this, this brace that's right under here, and then line up our dovetails. All right, now I'm just gonna go to the bottom, do the same thing I did right here, except screw in the front and back of each board, and then come back in, install our little trim piece, and screw the rest of the deck down, and we're done.